The Bimmerworld F32 F82 cage is now ready live on the site, and super excited with how this thing came out. You know, the overall fit, finish, feel of this thing, ready to turn your F32 F82 into a race car. You know, we know that the cages are the backbone of a race car, and you know, really pumped with how this thing is strength optimized and weight optimized. You know, goes straight in for your slick top F32, your carbon roof F82, a little modification required if you have a sunroof car, but all that is in the complete instruction manual that is included with this cage kit for you to get installed into your car. You know, the clearance, the fit for a range of drivers, you know, tons of headroom clearance, the door bars that protrude for intrusion protection, as well as just giving more room for drivers. A 6+2 design, so 6-point cage plus the foot protection. Really super excited. We've got a whole video that goes through the design process of this thing that you can check out. We'll link that below, but ultimately wanted to give an announcement that this thing is here on the site, so check it out at bimmerworld.com.